We are from IIT Madras, so our group name is Solar Energy Research Group. So we are under Professor Arvind Kumar Chandran. So our research domain is different, like we all six work in different areas. I'm predominantly working on lithium-ion battery safety. So what I do is, I am trying to answer why batteries are catching fire through, like, we have developed a blaster, like explosive chamber, so where I blast batteries and do forensics to know things better. And these guys work on like zinc air battery. We have we are working on alternative battery chemistry also. So yeah, she can give.
Hi all, I'm Kitna. So we believe that there are other battery chemistries which can also capture the market, and we are working in zinc air battery, and our focus is on the grid energy storage systems. So yeah, and we are like 4 people from zinc air battery. I'm Kitna and this is Nandini and Shashank, our BTech student, and then Edwin. And I'll give it to Pragya.
Hello everyone, I work predominantly on metal CO2 batteries, where we are more concerned about creating a positive value for CO2. Like, it should not be only that we absorb CO2 and just keep it somewhere. It should be like if it can provide energy as we are moving towards just transition. Thank you.
A very warm good morning, everyone. My name is Sri Lakshmi, and I'm working on seawater batteries. I'm working on developing batteries for underwater vehicles.